All right, folks, welcome back. We got this 2017 Jaguar XF. That's the diesel. I want you guys to listen to this thing. To us, it sounds like we maybe have a valve hung up inside the engine and it's backfiring through the intake. But look at this right here. Once we take this off, any diesels should not have blow-by. Look how much blow-by that is. So we definitely have an internal engine problem. Let's get into it. All right, as far as diagnostic trouble codes, I think we definitely had something internally going on with the engine. Misfire across all 4 cylinders. Would expect to have them codes there, but look at these here. Camshaft position, that's normally an indication that we got timing off or something with the engine. We got cylinder misfire on 3. Let's look at loud data. After clearing codes and running again for a while, number 3 came back, camshaft position came back. We got an issue with the internally in the engine. Let's pull the oil filter out and see if we find metal. All right, I'm gonna show you guys something. This is the oil filter. I don't know if you guys can see this. We got metal flakes throughout this oil filter. Let's go to another position. Hope you guys can see that right there. This thing is going to need an engine. Something happened up top, I think. Or down the bottom, piston rings. Piston. Got a hole in the piston or something.